Where's the triangle? Where's the triangle? Yeah, thank you. Good girl. That's it. Come here. Come here, Audrey. Where's the fish? Point to the fish. Audrey. Yeah, fish. Audrey. Where's the balloon? Balloon. There it goes on the floor, huh? Go get it. Get the balloon. Why is it on the floor? It's supposed to be up high. Look, Audrey. You brushing your hair? That's a brush. Yeah, that's a brush. Good girl. Audrey, someone's calling you. Ring, ring. Come here. Audrey. Too busy brushing your hair, huh? Audrey, come here. Audrey. Audrey. Look, Audrey. Someone's calling you. Ring, ring. Ring, ring. Say hello. Say hello. Say hello. Come back. Audrey. Audrey, come here. Say hello. Say hi. Yeah, you talking on the phone? Come here. Come here, Audrey. Come, show me something. Audrey, come here. Audrey, come here. Audrey. Where's the square? Where's the square? Yeah, good girl. And show me again. Where's the triangle? Show me the triangle again. That's it. Good girl. Who's the smart girl?